Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of a fun one. Before I go in, if you want to see how I got this look, I'm going to upload this video. If it's not already uploaded, you'll see it soon. Today is going to be a fun one because I have ordered the Jeffree Star Supreme Valentine's mystery box. I got the biggest one he had, and I forgot that I wanted to video this, so I already opened it and know what everything is. But I wanted to see if you guys wanted to see what it looked like and what was in it. So it comes all wrapped up in like product. I'm gonna use the back of this bag to cover up what's in it. But it comes all wrapped up inside of this box, and you just get like a whole bunch of stuff. So this is the Valentine's Day edition. So the first thing that you get is this bag. It's like a little tote, and it says, "Can't relate, I'm gagging, hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved and iconic." And it's just a little tote. It's pretty good size, actually. You could use that for so many things. Oh, and it has his logo on it, too. The second thing you get is another bag. It's kind of like an over-the-shoulder bag. And it's got the Jeffree logo. And all over the side, it just says Jeffree on it. So like all throughout right here, it's got Jeffree on it. And then it's just a little like pouch, I guess. Like it's got 2 pockets on the outside and a little like netting area on the inside. But I mean, it's pretty roomy, and you can put whatever you want in there. So you get 2 bags, and then you get a little pop socket with the Jeffree logo on it. I ordered this and it actually came like fairly quick. Like I was surprised how quick it came. And I love everything in it. And I haven't used any of it because I've been waiting. But I love everything in it. It's all really cool stuff. And if you didn't get one, I suggest you buy one the next time he does a mystery box. If you can. Because I saved up for this and I knew that I wanted the biggest one. The small one and the big one don't have any clothes in it. But I know that he was tweeting that the small one had something extra special in it, and after I already bought the big one. But and then the middle one is the only one that had clothing in it. So because they asked for your size in the medium sized one. But yeah, so it comes in like this cute little box, and it's really pretty, and it's the Valentine's Day mystery thing. So I'll start with the lip stuff. You get a velour lip scrub in the flavor of Mojito. And I'll open it up for you guys. It's pink. Or it's kind of, not really pink, it's kind of, it does smell like a mojito. Which if you don't know what a mojito is, it's just it's an alcoholic drink. But it smells just like that, that's crazy. I know he said that his lip scrubs were edible, which is strange. But you get a little velour lip scrub, and that's what it looks like. This is the mojito flavor, and this is the box that it comes in. And then you get a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. I'll show y'all. It's just a white, and all of his lipsticks you're able to use on your eyes too. So that's nice if you want to use like an eyeliner or something. So the next one is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Blow Pony, which is this very bright purple, which is super pretty. I'm going to swatch this one for you guys. Let me swatch Drug Lord too. I'm not surprised that in one swipe it's perfectly full coverage. And I know he says that you can wear Drug Lord by itself, or you can mix it with other things, and you can wear it on your eyes as whatever. So this is Blow Pony and Drug Lord. Next is another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Yes Ma'am, and this is a bright green and pink Cosmo and Wanda You Ain't Slick type deal. And I'll swatch this one for you too. So this is Blow Pony. These are such pretty colors, like, wow. And then you get the gloss. Sorry, the gloss. And this is in the shade Soft Core Sparkle. This is the packaging. Oh, that's so pretty. The purple iridescence. The packaging is also really pretty. It's very sparkly, shiny, but you don't feel the glitter in it though. So this is Soft Core Sparkle. Very glossy, glittery. So you have another The Gloss. And this was in the shade Ice Cold. Just like this. And I will swatch that one for you too. Ooh, this one's also got a little bit of a purple undertone in it. I hadn't swatched any of these, so I will give you that. I just looked at them. I didn't swatch anything or wear anything, but this is Ice Cold. Next is something I already have, but it does come with Blue Blood, and I already have a Blue Blood, so I'll probably give this one to someone, or I'll try to sell it, maybe, I don't know. So it does come with Blue Blood, and I have heard that he's put a couple Blue Bloods in other mystery packages, so if you buy a mystery package every time, you probably have more than one Blue Blood. But this is the first mystery package I've ever bought, so I didn't know what to expect, and I purposely avoided looking at everything. But you do get a Blue Blood palette, so just in case you guys were wondering what you get, you do get Blue Blood. You also get the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette. Sorry, I can't speak. So you do get that. This is what it looks like. I actually really wanted this and I never bought it, but I'm so glad I bought this because it came with it. So it comes with a little mirror. It's got a little protective casing on it, but these are the shades, and I will swatch all the shades for you. So the first one up is Cold Shoulder. So that's Cold Shoulder. It's very icy white. Hold on. There we go. Sorry. It's an icy, like, bluish white. Then we have Gold Breaker, which is kind of multicolored, but it's mostly gold, and it's kind of a goldish, rosy, rose gold, pinkish. Kind of a rosy gold. Then we have Cocky, which is like an orange type deal we got going on here. It's more of a deeper orange, as you can see right there. And then we have Statuesque, which is a super orange shade. Holy crap, that's bright. That's very orangey bright. Then we have Frozen Fruit, which is a pink, a bright pink. And then the last but not least, we have Freeze Tag, which is a very bright blue. But it comes off as like an icy blue. See that? Yeah. So that's Brain Freeze for you guys. Then last but most certainly not least, you get a box that looks like this that says Jeffree Star approved. And so when you open it up, I purposely didn't use this in one of my last videos because I didn't want you guys to see it. But you do get a bright pink Jeffree Star approved hand mirror. Like, oh, look how pretty this is. You can look at yourselves. It's so freaking pretty. Like, look at my highlight though. Whoop. Alright, so you also, the last thing you get is a mirror. So that I was really excited about because I really wanted the mirrors. So that is super exciting. Let me get all this trash. I definitely wanted his mirrors, and I really wanted brain freeze. So it kind of works out for you. So yeah. Works out nicely. And as you guys saw, you saw the swatches of everything. Hold on, I don't know how to do this. You see the swatches of everything and all the lipstick stuff you get. And so that's like the whole box. I paid $155 after tax for the Supreme one. I don't know what came in the other ones. I'm gonna look it up for you guys, you can know, so I can tell you guys what came in the other ones. Alright, so I found a video. This is Paige Corin. If you want to see all 3 of the mystery boxes unboxed at one time, you can go see Paige Corin's video. I'll link it for you guys, but I will link her video down below if you guys want to see everything and every description of it. But you get some of the like similar stuff, but you get Alien in the smallest one, so that's pretty cool. I already have Alien, so I mean, it would have been cool. I could have done something with it. But yeah, that's the big Supreme box. That one was $155 after tax that I paid for. The smallest one was $60 before taxed, and then the middle one was somewhere in between, like $100 and something. But yeah, that's the Jeffree Star Supreme mystery box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got to see everything that you get in this box and that you enjoyed seeing it and unboxing it with me. I know I kind of already peeked and opened everything, but everything does come wrapped up very neatly and nicely. I just kind of threw everything back in there because after I opened it all, I was like, oh crap, I wanted to do a video. So that's that. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And don't forget to check out Paige's video to see all 3 boxes if you want. And don't forget to check out my last video where I do this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.